from USJ 4x4. So I'm still at home. It's 7:30 in the morning, about 26 degrees Celsius, and today is a Friday, so we're heading out off-roading. Before that, I've got to get my coffee in. And toast. And maybe coffee again before we get moving. So I'm carrying I'm not driving today, still sitting with my brother in his surf. The reason is just I want to get my 40 completed, so it's sort of a push. I won't drive until I get my 40 series completed. So I'm heading on my way to my garage. So just to add, do you really need that much stuff when you go camping? Technically no, especially if you're sitting in someone's car, you should be courteous. But in my case, I'm sitting in my younger brother's car. So I think there's sibling law or something that he has to carry my stuff, plus he's younger. So there's no RV point, it's straight away to a trailhead. So the place we're going to, I've went before with my 60 series. It's Lubuk Selipar. So it's in Negeri Sembilan. As far as I'm aware, there's no real permits that's required for it. And this time around, I'm not bringing my drone because I think the laws just came out that you now have to have a permit to fly drones, and this is irregardless whether it's below 250 grams. What do I think about it? I think it's good to a certain degree because drones have gotten so much more affordable that then parents have been buying for their kids, and it's just being irresponsible with it. So to a certain degree, I think what they're doing is alright, but the process has to be a lot simpler than that. 14 days to wait for a permit before you actually want to use it it's just crazy. And the fact that it only lasts 3 months and you still have to apply for other permits based on where you're flying it, it's just too much hassle. Nothing's online yet, so it's definitely tough. Every morning I wait at this traffic light just before I turn in here, and as soon as I make the turn, and then I see the things that I love, just seeing the lineup of cars. Bloody epic. Oh, Luffy's here. So Luffy's in a Defender. Oi, what happened to coming at 8:30? What happened to coming at 8:30? Oh, I was the only one late.
Yeah, already on the way there.
Yes.
I think we thought that we did. Looks like we did.
Okay, but it's only 2 of them. Okay, I just gotta get my stuff up. So we're rolling out. No, put it off. Okay, get copyrighted again. So? Oh, yo! Look at that. Car is filled to the max, and me and my brother doesn't help with the weight thing, but it's quite 50-50, I would say. The load at the back and the load at the front is quite 50-50. So we're heading to fill up fuel in the Petronas like we usually do. So 3 cars will be going from here, and then the other 2 or 3, other 2 will be heading straight to the RV point, which is actually the trailhead.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm not sure how far is it from here. I think I'm on an hour.
An hour plus lah, if it's not jam.
Okay. So again, guys, like usual, the video will be in Bahasa and English because that's how I speak to Luffy and even Leong. Bro, bini kasih keluar rumah.
Saya sudah kahwin, bro.
Ayolah.
Ikut.
Ya. Nanti saya recording kereta. So Leong fills up feel like a Singaporean
Singapore style.
because the tank breather isn't working very well. Liang.
Very
Liang sendiri punya kereta bikin.
Come on. Singapore style mah.
Oh, goyang oh. Oh, belum. Zozo. Look at that stylish guy. And he's supposed to do recovery. No, I think don't think so. Dia tak ada tarik win recording. Yeah, just doing the JKR thing, watching you refill.
I think we'll fill out one more time before we go in, right? Because I want to fill out.
Yeah. Actually, your tank is pretty small as well. And you don't have a jerry can yet. You have a space for it, but no jerry can. Yeah. The shaking has begun. You know, we would eventually have to cut this cable tie. We have to use it, right?
There's an open one at the back.
Oh,
This is when shit gets real.
okay. So until then, it's tied up. Yeah. So for those using plasma, this will be suitable. You can't use the standardized pulley block. That's for actually the steel rope. So this is from Asli. Pretty cool stuff. You didn't bring your banter too?
Ah man, that's when you start recording.
So it's about an hour 16. It's quite a far drive. Actually, it's not far if you're in a normal car, but in a four-wheel drive, it's exaggerated.
Permit! Bro. Lain kali kereta jangan tengok.
Hey! Hey!
Kereta.
So this is a trailhead. I think the Pajero and Terano will be in the front, and then will be followed by the Defender. And then after that, British, and then probably Alyom. Okay. No, that's also there.
Sini boleh tukar 4 wheel dulu.
So we just add down to 20 psi, which is made quite easy with this, right?
Yeah.
So much easier. The arrangement is the Pajeros are in front. Then the Terano, then the Defender, then British, and Leon is behind. So behind. But the problem with this track is going in, I would say it's sort of more convenient because it's going downwards. But it's like when you leave, you have to fight and come uphill. That's the thing. So far it looks, touch wood, but it looks relatively dry. But we are no soon enough with the hint. And we are deeper in. Oi, jalan baru oh. Dulu kita orang turun sini.
Ni pun ada jalan juga.
Rasa baru lah.
Oh, siapa tahu jalan ni tu?
Sebenarnya tak ada siapa tahu. Kita last datang turun sini.
Oh ya.
Ini baru.
Rasa dia potong sana kot.
So this was track that we used to come in, but I think someone created a new track. So you can see how deep the ruts were. But yeah, this would have been a good play track. Bro, Ina panjat pergi mana? My Defender King, please.
I'm just a messenger.
Alright, it's the coming up. If it rains, it's going to be an issue. Like this space, if I'm not mistaken, the last time we even marked with 35 empties, found it quite a challenge.
With a V8?
But he still managed to clear because he had a V8.
Retes lagi ke retes.
Ya. Kita nak turun ni, slow.
Dekat sikit, laju sikit. Up. Frequency mode.
No problem bro, you jalan pergi campsite dulu, masak, kita datang.
Nanti kalau nak letakkan nasi dalam pinggan pun boleh.
Nak swap.
Retail cakap nak sekali dengan swap sekali.
Okey. Kita dah stop sekejap tau sebab ada buluh jatuh. Tapi dah siap dah.
Leong, come on. Yang jabatan, tak tahu dia orang suruh buat ke tak buat. Yang raya tu.
Buat ayam. Tarik ya.
Go. Lock. Dua-dua lock tam. Redemption.
Itu dia.